What's up guys, in this video we'll be learning on how to use CorelDraw tools, especially for beginners. Even if you have been using Corel, you might want to watch this one because it gets into detail for each and every necessary tool for you to get started. I hope you'll enjoy seeing how Corel is a very wonderful software and how you can do anything in the artboard with Corel. We will now be looking at our tools. So we have the pick tool, right? The pick tool is used to select, position, or transform objects. Now, what do we mean by that? Okay, let's just get something. So I'll just, as we are proceeding with this, for example, right now I'm explaining the pick tool to you. We are going to be learning a few more things. Like for example, right now I'll just show you how to actually drag and drop objects, than to go with the method of what do we call this? Oh, with the method of importing and all that. So now we just left click this and we drag using the mouse like what we always do, and then pam, we have it here. So now as you can see, this picture, it's bad in quality, pixelated a lot, being transferred to there and there and all that, but that doesn't matter. Now, what do they mean by pick tool, select, position, or transform objects? This is what they mean. Let's select. This is the pick tool, right? We've selected. Now, transform objects. You can always minimize like this, okay? Make it smaller, or make it bigger, or do it like this. Resize it like this, like that, like that. Can always move it around, move it to the corner. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. All right. Now you see, we were only using one tool. That's why they say select, position, or transform objects. Now, for us to delete it, we use a pick tool. Okay, again, we select and okay, Control D is to duplicate. Sorry, I said delete. Control D is to duplicate. Let me show you these shortcuts because it's part of the pick tool. We select, Control D, we duplicate, Control C, we copy, Control V, we paste. As you can see, I copied here, right? I copied here and I pasted on top, then I moved it. All right, now let's delete all this so that it doesn't look clumsy and complicate our artboard as we gave it the name. So now to delete, also do this. You right click, delete, is now out. Now the shape tool, this one is a little bit complicated. I cannot just show you this tool without getting on a project. But under the shape tool we have more and more options, but in this course we'll be dealing with the shape tool. Now the shortcut for the shape tool is F9. Don't do it. You just adding like a lot of shortcut options on your mind and they will confuse you. But just to be fair enough, let's see how the shape tool works, and if we use this, is going to be more complicated to you, but it's the nearest thing I can think of. Now this picture actually is not really a transparent picture, okay? That's why we cannot get our shape tool to this 3C, because this object goes like this, right? So it's like the background looks like it's transparent, but it's actually not. There is a background behind. There is a background behind, but the background behind this is transparent. By me turning this to black, I wanted to see maybe if it was a white background. I'd forgotten myself. So let's not use this one. Oh, actually, let's do this. Now, this is the undo. We've like, we deleted and then we click undo and it goes back. Now, let me teach you this one. Okay, so we have our object here, right? And we are saying there is a background here that's limiting us, so we cannot really deal with this 3C itself, but we want this 3C. So what do we do? Since this tool we can deal with both pictures and vectors, illustrations, let's just quick press this like this, and then now we have quick pressed that 3C, and it's now on its own. Yes, it's not perfect. It will never be perfect with a lot of colors like that, and also if there was a background behind. So yep, now I'm using the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Like I said, always if you're using this mouse, you can always use this. Click here, like I miss using a mouse. Within just a few hours I miss using a mouse, but unfortunately I just realized now that it was out of battery. So here we're not going to deal with making this look a little bit more perfect through going to object, and you see it's a group of 27 objects. We are going to ungroup, like we're going to see this when we are dealing with tutorials. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot. So